Would you like to embed a YouTube video on your website or blog? Yes, in this video I will show you how to get an embed code from YouTube. Go to www.youtube.com in a browser on your computer. Search for a specific video by typing in the search bar at the top of the page. Navigate to the video you want to embed. Click the video. Click Share button. You will see this arrow icon next to the header share under the video title. Click Embed. There are other embed options that you can click to select, including Show Player Controls and Enable Privacy Enchant mode. Click Copy. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.